Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. Enunciating text 24, text 25 and text 26 of chapter 1 questions by Vidur of 3rd canto, the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 24. Tatas tvati vrajya surashtra mruddham sauvira matsyan kuru jangalam shacha kalen tavada yamuna mupetya tatrodhavam Bhagavatam dadarsha. Thereafter he passed through very wealthy provinces like Surat, Sauvira and Matsya, and through western India known as Kuru Jangala. At last he reached the bank of the Yamuna, where he happened to meet Uddhav, the great devotee of Lord Krishna. The tract of land comprising about 100 square miles from modern Delhi to the Mathura district in Uttar Pradesh, including a portion of the Gurgaon district in Punjab, East India, is considered to be the topmost place of pilgrimage in all of India. This land is sacred because Lord Krishna travelled through it many times. From the very beginning of his appearance, he was at Mathura in the house of his maternal uncle Kansa, and he was reared by his foster father Maharaj Nand at Vrindavan. There are still many devotees of the Lord lingering there in ecstasy in search of Krishna and his childhood associates, the gopis. It is not that such devotees meet Krishna face to face in that tract of land, but a devotee is eagerly searching after Krishna is as good as his seeing him personally. How this is so cannot be explained, but it is factually realized by those who are pure devotees of the Lord. Philosophically, one can understand that Lord Krishna and his remembrance are on the absolute plane, and that the very idea of searching for him at Vrindavan in pure God consciousness gives more pleasure to the devotees than seeing him face to face. Such devotees of the Lord see him face to face at every moment, as confirmed in the Brahma Samhita 5.38. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanen Santah Sadaiva Rudayeshu Vilokayanti Yama Shama Sundaram Asintya Guna Swarupam Govindam Adipurusham Tam Aham Bhajami. Those who are in ecstasy of love with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Shama Sundar Krishna, see him always in their hearts due to love and devotional service rendered to the Lord. Both Vidur and Uddhav were such elevated devotees, and therefore they both came to the bank of the Yamuna and met each other. Text 25. Sa Vasudevanu Charam Prashantam Bruhaspateha Praka Tanayam Pratitam Alingya Gadham Pranayen Bhadram Swanam Pruchhada Bhagvat Prajanam. Then, due to his great love and feeling, Vidur embraced him, Uddhav, who was a constant companion of Lord Krishna and formerly a great student of Bruhaspati's. Vidur then asked him for news of the family of Lord Krishna, the personality of Godhead. Vidur was older than Uddhav, like a father, and therefore, when the two met, Uddhav bowed down before Vidur and Vidur embraced him because Uddhav was younger like a son. Vidur's brother Pandu was Lord Krishna's uncle, and Uddhav was a cousin to Lord Krishna. According to social custom, therefore, Vidur was to be respected by Uddhav on the level of his father. Uddhav was a great scholar in logic, and he was known to be a son or disciple of Bruhaspati, the greatly learned priest and spiritual master of the demigods. Vidur asked Uddhav about the welfare of his relatives, although he already knew that they were no longer in the world. This inquiry appeared to be very queer, but Srila Jiva Goswami states that the news was shocking to Vidur, who therefore inquired again due to great curiosity. Thus his inquiry was psychological and not practical. Text 26. Kachita Puranau Purushau Swanabhya Padamanu Vrutyeha Kilavatiranav Asat Urvyaha Kushalam Vidhaya Kritakshanau Kushalam Shuragehe. Please tell me whether the original personalities of Godhead, who incarnated themselves at the request of Brahma, who is born out of the lotus flower from the Lord, and who have increased the prosperity of the world by elevating everyone, are doing well in the house of Shursen. Lord Krishna and Balram are not two different personalities of Godhead. God is one without a second, but he expands himself in many forms without their being separate from one another. They are all plenary expansions. The immediate expansion of Lord Krishna is Baldev, and Brahma, born from the lotus flower from Garbhodakshay Vishnu, is an expansion of Baldev. This indicates that Krishna and Baldev are not subjected to the regulations of the universe. On the contrary, the whole universe is under their subjugation. They appeared at the request of Brahma to liberate the burden of the world, and they relieved the world by many superhuman activities so that everyone became happy and prosperous. Without the grace of the Lord, no one can become happy and prosperous, because the happiness of the Lord, devotees, family, depends on the happiness of the Lord. Vidur first of all inquired about the well-being of the Lord. Hare Krishna.